sunshine. So I am on my way. But I don't know where we're going. Don't question me. I'm a grown woman. Don't question me. But I don't know where we're going. But my husband is home though. And look at my face. Okay, so we are on our way to I can't remember that store, but if I remember it, I will insert the name somewhere along here. But I can't remember the name, so I'm going to go look for. Still have to buy for his mom. I still have one child left to buy for, because he's one of the twins.
One of our children.
One of our children. There you go. No. Almonds. Love those. Look at all the good pastas. Pasta. Ooh. Those are pretty. Look at my Michael Kors purse, guys. It's fancy. Ooh. Wouldn't your mom love that?
Alright. They use tea kettles a lot.
Oh, honey, look. It's all fun and games until the bear runs out. Yep. We found some mugs. Right there. Everybody getting mugs for Christmas. Saw this one. It's cute. Oh no. Honey, look. There's one down here that says mom.
Says what?
It says mom.
Yeah, I saw it.
It says mom on here. It's cute. Is he gonna... Look at her face. She's like, do we really have to be here? I like this one though. This is mom.
And it's all like... And it's all funny. Funny.
My Susie. Baby, you see my Susie? My Susie. About to eat my Susie. Maddie's eating her Susie. Wait a minute. That's too much boobies. Ew. Why are you eating that egg sandwich like you're starving? Why?
I'm hungry.
So I'm about to eat my Susie. Na 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 na.
Did the kids have a half a day this week? At all?
Why is there flour on my food? Like really, why? Why? So So guys, I forgot to end the vlog the other day. So I need to end in for my vlog the other day, whichever vlog, whatever. But I need to end in. All right. So yeah, don't complain. Don't complain. All right. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Become a sunshine. Become a sunshine. Who wouldn't want to become a sunshine? That's like, I don't know, but become a sunshine. Hit the button. Subscribe. You know what I mean? Subscribe if you like what you're seeing. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.